Hello and welcome, this is Roy. This time I'm sharing with you two brief clips taken from a long video, 69 minutes video that I've just finished to record for my subscribers. I hope you like the clips. If you like further information about my service, please stay on after the clips end. I'll be talking to you again. And always you are welcome to contact me if you have any question or whatever. Other than that, I wish you have a great weekend and good trading. Hello and welcome, this is Roy. With the situation in the dollar being rather inconclusive, we are waiting for a resolution of fairly big pattern. I will be focusing on quite a few forex pairs, also on commodities, but chiefly on stock markets where the action appears to be the clearest. And here are the charts that I have prepared for this video. I've got the Euro US dollar currency pair, British pound US dollar, British pound Japanese yen, US dollar Japanese yen, New Zealand dollar US dollar, Australian dollar US dollar, Australian dollar British pound, and then gold, silver, high grade copper, light crude, gasoline, then Euro bond, USD bond, and then stock markets, TSX, S&P 500, S&P 400, the Nasdaq, the DAX of Germany, CAC 40 of France, Italy's MIB, Brazil's Ibovespa, and then I'll have a look at the global Dow. Yes, it's an ETF traded in the US. And I'll terminate the video with another look at Apple computer. Okay. Japanese yen. Okay, that's the New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Just to run here, for the sake of those who haven't seen the big picture here, we're looking at potential wave count here that is calling for the New Zealand dollar to lose ground against the US dollar for quite some time. That is the daily going back into December 2010. That's an A, that's an A, B, C. With this being 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's a B. We're looking down for a C to come under 74. I already elaborated on the scenario where the breakdown to 74 and lower would become highly likely. That is, if we get this kind of structure. Now, it appears like we are on the right track with this one, but we don't have that all clinching, all resounding signal here, all clear. That is what I have in mind. You see, we are coming down. It's building up making the right noises, but not enough. Let's have a look now at 60 minutes, and I'm showing you what I think is the most likely wave count at this point in time. We came down here. In fact, I'm really basing my entire analysis here, not just, of course, on the big picture, but when I come to see the details, this is what is guiding me. That's A, B, C. The fact that it came down, broke through this, in my opinion, this is pretty convincing structure to side with the bears short term. Looking at this as 1, that's 2, that's likely another 1, that's likely another 2. If I'm getting this right, then we're going down fairly soon. You see, we had a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 1, A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Probably ended here or here. We're looking at the second wave. This should not go on for a whole session or 2 sessions. Is going to be completely out of proportion to what we've got here. This means it's got to be come down fairly fast. It's got to come down, break 81.20 and start continuing lower. Okay, that's the Ibovespa of Brazil. Very interesting chart. That's the monthly scale of the futures contract, continuous contract. Now, I don't have very high confidence reading here for you, but I do have some observations that you might like to hear. And what I think is, from my experience, when I see something like that, that doesn't look like a top. Look, we are talking about a monthly scale. Yes, this has been going on now for 3 years, 3.5 years, and it could go on for another 3 years, quite frankly. I don't see any problem there. But what I do see, and what I think is the observation that I have here, is that this is not a top. This is a consolidation, multi-year consolidation that would lead to much higher prices. I'm not in a position to put very firm labelings here because of the, you see the extent of the chart, but I wouldn't be surprised at all if this is a 1-2. That does look like a third wave to me. That does look to me like a fourth wave in action. Multi-year pattern, fourth wave in action. So Brazil is looking up long term, and that could play out as an A, that's a B, that's a C, that's a D, or if it breaks through this level substantially, there is a much more complex and probably much more lengthy pattern to still play out here. But that's the idea on the monthly scale. I'll take you step by step. Let's go to the weekly. That was our A somewhere here. That's our B. And you can see, I think we have the triangle here, the A coming up here. We have another ABC. That the A, either we start counting from here or we start counting from here. That appears to me like the end of the B right here, and then the short C. And now it's coming down. It's coming down, and I do see that there is prospect for further downside. Now I'm jumping to the daily, and you can see we had a clean head and shoulders here. The level here, as you can see, broke. There is fairly good support here, resistance here, and the price action very short term, that looks like an ABC. I think this market is heading lower. It's heading lower in that big context of basically heading to the floor of 48,000. So if you ask me long term, of course Brazil is still looking up, but any break under 48,000, and let's jump back and see if we can quickly get the weekly. Yes, we can. Okay, so this zone here, the giant zone, once it breaks under 48,000, depending what's going on with other markets, because this one is of course influenced by what's going on in the US, it's an export market, also in China, around here I think that could begin to look like a very, very attractive buying opportunity. Welcome to join. I don't make intensive use of it, but from time to time I do make some comments. I've got 3 articles here that I've written. You may like to take a look. Here's testimonial submitted by an active trader that is using my service. There are more testimonials right here. I have an affiliate program. You are most welcome to join. You don't have to be a subscriber. Links to my videos speaks for itself, but I do have a new YouTube channel that actually covers the recent videos. I haven't had a chance to actually update that, and it also includes a video explaining about a weekend product. So if you are searching for that new YouTube channel, please type EW Practitioner, EW Practitioner in one word when you go on YouTube, and that takes you to the channel and you will see all the videos. RN Elliott, that's a section where you can download a full-scale book. I suggest you do that if you're interested seriously in learning about the wave principle. That is an excellent first step. Private policy, terms of use, these are standard categories. Why join? Read that to see in which ways I think I can help traders at different levels. Subscribe here. That's where you take practical steps to subscribe to my service. I have 3 ways in which you can use my service. You can either take an introductory offer, which is just 1 week. It is a one-off, meaning you can't use it repeatedly. You can use it one time. It's only $9.99. It gives you access for 7 videos. Today's video, plus the chart, plus every single video that I'll record in the coming week, and the charts. And after 1 week, you make up your mind. You want to continue. You use the other, any of the other options. The second option is a weekend product, where I allow you to access the weekend videos plus the charts, and that is priced substantially below the normal product, which is really directed at very intensive traders, people who can watch the market every day and can make use, can actually digest all that information that is being churned by the market every single day. And the third product is the full product that costs €79 only per month. That gives you access to a lot of information, a lot of setups that are run through every single day, and basically keeps you really in fully informed about the many various markets that I cover. I'm also open to some suggestions. If you come on board on the full product or any other products, please feel free to ask me if there is a specific market that you like me to cover. I can't promise that I'll cover it every day. I'll do my best to cover it from time to time, or at least have a good look at it. That's contact us if you have any problem whatsoever. Get in touch with me. I'm here to help. Tell a friend. Spread the word. By all means, I would appreciate a helping hand. Downloads. That way you can download charts that I put on in the public area. You can see the kind of work that I do. Recommended reading list. Go ahead. They are fairly. It's not as extensive as I would have wished to put here. I just don't have enough time to update it. I have many more books that I would like to put. I need more time to go through that, but there are quite a lot of books here, and also some links to download full-scale books. So go ahead and take a look. Frequently asked questions, that's where you really have to come back to this. If you decided to subscribe, that will help you to find where to find past videos, past charts, etc. Useful links, speaks for itself, and that's about it. So I hope to hear from you, hope to see you on my website, exploring a bit what's going on, and get in touch with me. The slightest question you have, whatever crosses your mind, I'll be glad to help. Wishing you successful trading. Have a great week. Bye now.